This program can be used to write to sectors on track 18. You can copy a whole file to track 18 if it's a small file, or just the first block, which then can jump to links on, say for example, tracks 36 onwards. If you copy this source code in and run it under the Data Becker C compiler, Super C, it should run anything off to the right. You'll have to work it out for yourself. It should be pretty easy. A lot of comments too. Type this in and run it on a Commodore-64, and you can save an entire file, as long as only a few blocks, to track 18, or just the first block to track 18, which then may link to tracks 36 onwards. Let's see how it works. If we run it, two options: copy the entire file or just the first sector. We'll copy the entire file manual load to track 18 because it's 8 blocks long, so it should easily fit. Here it's allocating the sectors. It copies the file from the normal tracks over to track 18 as it's doing it and relinks them appropriately. It also deallocates the blocks that are used by the normal file while allocating the blocks on track 18. Now we'll just copy the first sector to track 18 of the sector editor, because the rest of the file is stored on tracks 36 onwards. That way all available tracks, normal blocks on the disk should be available again, which will make it 664 blocks free. We'll load the sector editor to have a look at it and see how it's saved them to track 18 and 36 only, 36 onwards. Track 18 sector 0 links to track 18 sector 1, and you can see both files are on track 18. First one's on sector 18, if we jump on the link to sector 11, we can see that the first block is linked to track 36 sector 10, which is then linked to 36